There are few industries that require such perfect blending of design, UX, and cutting-edge technology as much as automotive. While each can be hard, blending it seamlessly has been nearly impossible. However, BMW might have cracked the code. Taking a page from Apple, the brand has developed an entirely new system architecture and processing unit, all in-house. Dubbed the Heart of Joy, it's 10 times faster than what's out there today and is poised to unlock not just incredible performance, but a full suite of next-generation technology and a more natural driving experience. To test it all, BMW built a prototype, turned it up to 11, and took it to the track. Capable of up to 13,269 foot-pound of torque, the Vision driving experience points to what's possible with a fully integrated design, architecture, and massive processing capabilities. And I got to ride shotgun. What I experienced was unreal.
You've driven everything from BMW. How does this compare? I mean, it's
very different to anything else which I've experienced before.
Yeah.
Also the power output is just phenomenal.
It's instant too.
Because we have the different modes. We start on the comfort, then the track. And you will see on the track it gets very noisy because we have these 5 impellers in the car which suck the car to the ground. So therefore we can generate this 1.5 tons of downforce.
So this is really testing everything. Testing all sorts of different ideas.
Yeah, right. So it's the downforce idea, the active ride height, which then can be done automatically here statically now. With low speed you can lower it, you can go up and so on. And there's the different driving modes. Even there, like change of direction is impressively responsive.
So are the brakes, when you hit the brake right now, is it the motor?
It's the motor. So I don't know if, I can honestly, it's very difficult to get a read whether it's a brake.
Yeah, is it rotating? Yeah.
So as you can see, that was an amazing experience around BMW's test track in South Carolina. It was also a bit, how do I put it, violent at times. This car has just incredible capabilities, and Jens was really holding back. I think you could sort of tell it was very relaxing for him. It was not so relaxing for myself or the other 2 folks in the car as well. But what I saw was a car that was just sharper. It had a precision and sort of fluidity that was really interesting. This is all, of course, prototype at this point. It's not going to come out for another year or so, but it does really make you realize how critical processing power and system architecture is for these cars. Yeah, the interface is something that has to be perfect, and I detailed that in the recent iDrive panoramic vision video I did. But this now gets to the sort of the actual heart of the car, the processor. And we think about engines as being the heart of the car for the past 100+ years. I think we have to really change the concept of what that is now. I think it's really about this processing unit and how it's able to handle so much data and really turn it into exactly what the driver needs and wants. It's an incredible concept, and one that in a lot of ways flips the script on what cars have always done in the past, from this very sort of mechanical industry to one that is now software and interface and, of course, exterior design. And that's exactly where I personally, as a designer and somebody in the digital experience world, I get excited. Yes, there's sharper handling, seamless braking, instant throttle response. It's incredibly quick. And I love that as a gearhead, but I also love the fact that now we are really dialing in interface and software to replicate really this analog quality that so many of us really enjoy. And man, this thing feels like it gets pretty close. So really, really exciting time for the automotive industry. As turbulent as things are, there's so much on the horizon, and BMW has just given us just a little bit of a glimpse of it.